안녕하십니까. 이슈 포커스 시간입니다. 오늘은 보시다시피 미국분을 모셨습니다. 첼시라는 자산관리 회사를 운영하시는 체어맨이시고요. 개인적으로는 한국전 참전용사이시기도 합니다. 최근 미국의 증권시장이 이해가 안 되리만큼 매일 오르고 있습니다. 이런 강세장, 이 강세장을 부울마켓이라고 하죠. 황소같이 밀어붙이면서 올라간다고 그런 이름이 붙은 모양입니다. 이런 부울마켓에 우리가 들어가야 하는 것인지 아니면 지금 들어가기 좀 위험한 건지 도대체 알 수가 없는데, 이런 뒷배경은 과연 어디에 있는지, 이 강세장의 뒷배경, 평소 궁금했던 부분을 좀 여쭤보기 위해서 모셨습니다. So, Mr. Fred, welcome.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
All right. First of all, can you introduce yourself first, please?
I'm Fred. I've been in the investment business for 62 years.
Wow.
46 years ago, I started Chelsea Management Company. We manage U.S. and foreign investments for individuals. We have many Korean friends and many Korean clients. We also have the AC1 China Fund, which is invested in Chinese stocks on the Hong Kong Exchange, and it has an excellent 5-year record. In addition, we manage a wrap account, which is the fourth industrial revolution, and this is in conjunction with Korean Investment Securities, which is one of the major investment, as you know, one of the major investment security houses in Korea.
Wow, 62 years.
62.
In the tough stock market.
It's a good beginning.
Wow. Then let me ask you a quick question.
Sure.
How come U.S. stock market is getting higher and higher every day recently?
That's a good question. It reflects what's happening in the U.S. economy. And what we have is very low interest rates. So if you buy cash or you buy bonds, you don't get paid much. So that leaves stocks. In addition, U.S. corporate earnings are rising. And as they rise, that puts stock market prices higher.
That's why I'm asking, do I have to join this upturn now? Also, I surveyed for a while today for this interview with you.
Yeah.
As the Dow surged 22%, I think, from the beginning of this year.
Right.
And Apple was like 56%.
Right.
And Amazon is like 57%. Mm-hmm. Google by like 34%, I think.
Right.
I think it has come a lot already. What do you think?
It has come a lot. There's no question about it. The stock market's in high ground. However, it could go on for another year or two or more this way. As long as corporate earnings are rising and as long as interest rates are relatively low as they are now, the outlook for the U.S. stock market is good. We would approach it through a well-diversified list of securities, and we would divide it into 3 parts. The first third we would invest right now. The second third we'd invest in about a month. If in a month the stock market is moving lower, hold up on the second part. Wait till it gets lower. And the third part, definitely we would wait for a down market to put the last part in. But this way you have safety, but you also get invested in very high income and high yield U.S. stocks.
So you mean next year will be the bull market also, right? So what industry or what stock looks good in your opinion?
We always buy a well-diversified list of stocks. It's much safer that way. There are, however, 2 industries which look particularly good because they have not participated fully in the last year or two. And one are the U.S. banks. There are a lot of good U.S. banking stocks. And the second is the oil and gas industry.
Bank and oil.
And oil,
right.
Yeah.
By the way, the gas price is getting higher. How do you expect the oil-related stocks next year?
OPEC and Russia have just signed in the last day an accord to carry the production cuts in crude production in both those countries forward all through 2018. In addition, countries like Libya and Nigeria, which have had political economic problems, so they have not participated in the cutback in oil production to date. They are now in much better shape, and they're going to do it. They're going to cap their output this year. And when you add to that the fact that world oil demand is still rising, the outlook, we think, is for a continued slow, gradual rise in oil prices.
Okay. Finally, I heard that there are many Korean customers in your company, Chelsea Management. What kind of services do you have for Korean customers? And what is the differences between the general securities companies and your company, Chelsea?
Okay. We have many Korean clients. We have Korean associates in our firm. As I say, I spent time in Korea myself in the U.S. Army. We manage general securities for Korean clients. Chelsea Management is an investment advisory firm, and we're not a stockbroker. So whether we trade 1 share a year or 1,000 shares makes no difference to our income. We're only looking out for the value of your account to rise. That's all we do. And so we have basically 2 modes of investment. One is U.S. and foreign securities in a portfolio for individuals and for institutions. And then the second would be our AC1 China Fund, which has an excellent 5-year record.
Okay, I hope you will have more Korean customers next year.
Thank you.
Thank you. 네, 오늘은 보신 대로 이 미국 증권 시장에서 무려 62 years, 62년을 종사하고 계신 미스터 프레드 씨를 모시고 요즘의 증권 시장의 상황과 연일 강세를 보이는 그 뒷배경을 간단하게나마 알아봤습니다. 자, 앞으로 기회가 되는 대로 좀 더 전문적인 궁금증도 풀어보는 시간을 갖도록 하겠습니다. 오늘 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다. Mr. Fred, thank you for being here.
Thank you very much.
여러분, 고맙습니다.